Well, that's a philosophical question, isn't it? Who are you? I am Felipe Hughes, so that's what I was baptized. But more important, I think, is who I am trying to be. I'm trying to be someone who inspires others to be better, to do better, and to help each other.
ETSU was founded to serve this region and to uplift the people in this region. So this sense of service and being connected to the community is part of who we are. In recent years, there's been a lot of conversation on campus about how do we do that in a more intentional way? How do we really connect what's going on in the classroom with the opportunities to serve in the community?
What I'd like students to know about our Community Engaged Learning Initiative is that this is going to broaden the opportunities that they have at ETSU to participate in internships, capstone projects, study abroad, study away, at all levels of their undergraduate education.
What we want is for students to have really rich hands-on experiences and to be able to do that in a way that expands their career opportunities and their career skills.
I think that it creates a hunger in you for learning when you see that what I'm learning here fulfills a need for somebody else.
And I'm always trying to creatively come up with new ways for the students to do service learning and to take their own abilities into practice.
Through their internship program, I learned so much more about the inner workings of what it takes to make an organization like that function.
I got the opportunity to go to Idaho. We learned about wildfire management and policy. We got to talk to a bunch of experts in their respected fields, and we put together a policy plan that we're sending to Washington, D.C.
The university experience, the college experience, is more than just gaining technical skills and retaining information. We talk a lot about, career pieces, but some of this is really about who we want to be as people, as members of community.